Okay. We can launch into the game.
Yeah, okay. Let's go.
Oh right, I have to click into the game for audio.
Mm.
Oh, what was that?
We're starting at different places.
Oh my god, I have a different.
Like where we die.
What is that? Because I know that the whole thing is that you like no clip, basically through whatever you're doing. And oh, I forgot to click into the game. I don't know if there's any audio. Can you guys hear the game?
Hopefully. The sound for the game is so fucking unsettling. I hate it.
A few moments later.
Oh, I see you! So probably right around there.
Where?
Here. Hello. Does anyone in chat know? Do I have to like ration the flashlight use? Or can I like use it as much as I want, but it can attract monsters? So one I'll use it, and one I won't.
Sorry, the sound of my own. Yeah, the sound of my own redeem scared me.
What?
My redeems are scaring me.
Oh no! A happy face guy. Happy face guy is down that way.
Oh, that's great. Oh. The hour is 7:45. Why? I see you. Should we?
What is it?
I saw the happy face.
Hiding.
Right?
I'm gonna explore a little bit because I actually don't know how to get back to where you are anyway. So.
Oh, I was like.
I found the tea.
Pam, where are you? Pam, you
Sorry,
left
lost.
Pam!
I got the tea.
Oh, there's something that was out there.
Once in a while, it's quite fun. This kind of more fun with
Thank you so much for becoming a member.
Oh,
yeah,
I gotta find a locker and
Man, oh, let's run. Oh,
Oh, how dare
maybe not this way.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no, back.
But I don't see anything. Yeah. I can memorize stuff like the blood layout, but I can't memorize like stuff that's in the story.
Oh my boy. He's camping me. This fucker.
Oh god, go back in. Or maybe if we don't have the light, it's fine. The smiling guy is right. Ah! If you die on purpose, it might make it less scary in the future.
Crack it, baby. Okay.
Was that you?
Yeah, that was me cracking my fingers real quick. Okay. I'm gonna open the door. Okay. I'm gonna.
Exactly, death speed run.
This is gonna be a death speed run.
Apparently I can walk around as a ghost though, so I'm gonna see if I can still try to find
I don't wanna.